This scary video footage shows why you should never jump a level crossing. This heart-stopping footage shows the moment a pedestrian was just seconds away from being hit by a speeding train. The footage shows how the two women climbed around the fencing to avoid the locked gates before one of them was forced to jump back to avoid being hit by mere inches. The near miss was captured in Essex at the same crossing where two teenagers were killed by a train in December 2005. Network Rail said there had been 20 accidental fatalities at level crossings around the country since April 2019.